Okay, there were 26 votes placed, 26 voters. First place got 3 points, and then second place will get 1 point. So, in second place is number 5.
Come and get your award! Woo! The award comes to her.
There you go, ma'am. She was the former champ last year.
What was the?
So this year's
point
first
score?
place, kickin' chili, number 3.
Rach!
Woo!
I guess you guys trade places.
Right, there you go. Congratulations.
So congratulations to everyone that participated. This is our 5th annual REL Chili Cookoff. And the excitement, the enthusiasm, and more importantly, bringing everyone together and celebrating some great hot chili. And congratulations to everyone for participation, even Chuck.
Hey!